Ignition sequence start. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
There are two kinds of history. First, the big stuff, the events that change the world. Then there are the things that change your world, both the things we celebrate and the smaller, no less significant moments in our lives. When new ideas take root, new relationships begin, and new horizons open up. What do all these things have in common? It's the part we often forget, the places and spaces that are the backdrops to the biggest moments in our lives, and the people behind the scenes who make it possible. Each of them driven by a mission, dedicated to do more for the people they serve. At Johnson Controls, we've always known that these places and spaces are far more than backdrops. They set the scene. They keep us comfortable, safe and secure. They can make us more productive and efficient. But they do even more too, furthering our ambitions and shaping all kinds of outcomes. They are a springboard for human progress. It's not an exaggeration to say they can transform our lives. We've always believed they should help advance humanity in all our endeavors. That belief was there in the inventions that form the very origins of our business. It was there in countless building operation systems spanning the decades, each more advanced than the last. And today, it's there in the schools where we work for better learning outcomes, the hospitals where we transform patient experiences, the data centers we make more efficient and secure, the sporting venues and airports where we give people better, safer experiences. The labs we make smarter, places where tomorrow's groundbreaking and life-saving innovations are being created. And in all the places we make more sustainable for the good of humanity and the planet. We haven't just stayed true to our purpose for over 130 years. We have expanded that purpose in mind-blowing ways, with buildings that support, enhance and elevate lives all over the world, leading us into a new digital era that promises to be the most thrilling in all our history. Johnson Controls, the power behind your mission.